Hi everybody! So, some of you know I've been in passion parties for about 4 months now. I just ordered a really big box, so I'm going to pick it up in a second. Let's see. Oh, it is fragile. Let's see what's in it. Oh my goodness, so this is the time we're going to open it. So I wanted to share this process with you. So in case you ever thought about having a passion party, get your favorite fruity cocktail. Summertime. I'm going to open to see what goodies I have in my box. So I got into passion parties 4 months ago to empower and excite women. Because I was in a terrible relationship, and then I learned that I really wanted to do this. I went to my first party 3 years ago. Loved it. Stayed in contact with my hostess or my rep, and decided to join. So let's see. We have that. Okay. Whew. There's a lot of stuff. I have my crush for my August hostess. I have a tickling trio. Can't wait to see what that is. What's in all that stuff? Right to the point. I told a lot of people that I love this. I'm so excited to have it. Look how nice and small it is. Little massage points. We got the Modern Love. This is going to my hostess with the mostest for July. We got a Joyride. Little cock ring with a bullet attached. We got another crush. I'm thinking I'm going to have 2 amazing parties this month. Yep. We got a Max. We got a Lalo Tour 2. Oh my goodness, it comes in a black box. You can't even see it. I'm so excited about this one. This is by far my favorite item that I ordered. My Modern Love. And Audrey, who wants her? Got an inspirational point. Let's see what that does. Looks like a mouse. Oh, my terrific trio. Some feather plants. A gizmo. That's exciting. You never know to look like that. A Bronco, some fun stuff. Another right to the point. Some baby balls. We all have to experience what they are. We got a Gigi. Oh my goodness. A bag full of body stuff. Some little lubes. Some little radiance. If you wanted to try, maybe win a prize. Sorry, my bra's falling down. I was getting too excited over here. Okay. Oh. Some firecracker on hands. Oh. We got some body whip. And the sugar scrub for my hostesses. Remember, when you host a party with me, you get some free samples. Yay! Ooh. Some passion powder. I got my nibbler sticks. Great prizes. Some Keep It Clean sugar packs. Got a few more catalogs because I have a few more parties before we get our new catalogs. So I was lucky to get these. Oh my goodness. Now that it's open, there's a lot of work to do. That only took 5 minutes. What to talk about now? Do I have a party? Contact me. We could have a party. One of these free samples could be yours. They weren't free for me, but they could be free for you. Oh my goodness. I have a lot of work to do to unwrap all of these things. Thank you so much.